Hello everyone, welcome to English Shorthand classes. Exercise 8. Get ready for the dictation. Start. Therefore, political democracy by itself is not enough, except that it may be used to obtain a gradually increasing measure of economic democracy. The good things of life must become available to more and more people, and gross inequalities must be removed. That process has no doubt gone on for some time in countries where there is political democracy. One of the basic revolutions of the world has been the Industrial Revolution, which has changed the texture of human life. But people's minds lag behind events. Sometimes the person who considers himself most revolutionary is very conservative, that is, he holds on to things regardless of the changing conditions. The French Revolution came with a mighty bang, frightened Europe, and created innumerable waves of thought which affected Europe for almost the next 100 years. Again and again in the rest of Europe, there were waves of revolutions following the ideas of the French Revolution, but they ended up as petty revolutions. Even the French Revolution, when it occurred, was rather out of date in the sense that something bigger was happening behind it, the Industrial Revolution. The leaders of the French Revolution were hardly conscious of the Industrial Revolution that was in its early stages. They were thinking mainly of political problems. For a considerable time after the French Revolution, while the Industrial Revolution was working its mighty change, the thinking of people was governed by the slogans and ideas of the French Revolution. Something big has happened in the structure of human life with the coming of atomic energy. We may take this as the consummation of the industrial age. It forces us to decide how we are going to use this mighty power, rightly or wrongly, in conflict or in cooperation. All this should really force us to think on entirely new lines. We have to decide how to face these problems and not continue to think of petty matters. We believe in democracy. Speaking for myself, I believe in it, first of all, because I think it is the right means to achieve ends and because it is peaceful method. Secondly, because it removes the pressures which other forms of government may impose on the individual. It transforms the discipline which is imposed by authority largely to self-discipline. Self-discipline means that even people who do not agree accept solutions because it is better to accept them than to have conflict. It is better to accept them and then change them if necessary by peaceful methods. Therefore, democracy means to me an attempt at the solution of all the economic and socio problems by peaceful methods. Stop.